Hi students, today we're going to learn about MindPrint learning. To begin with, to log in, remember your password and login we use for everything. If you need to find this, it should be listed on your homework folder or on your Google Docs sent to your parents. MindPrint was that test we took a couple weeks ago to figure out our type of learning. The goal of MindPrint is to identify who each student learns best, to create the best learning outcomes, so the best scores are the best way for you to learn. MindPrint's equation for how to help students is how you learn plus what you know, which equals improved learning outcomes. To begin with, we're going to look at an example student. This student's name is Amy, and we're going to look at her personalized learning plan. The great part about MindPrint is that it helps every single student, and each student is different. To begin with, let's look over just the general format. So there's student plans, which is areas to develop, MindPrint profile skills, and general strategies. All of these strategies should help your student. If you scroll on down here, this is individualized for Amy. So first, let's look at her strengths. Amy does a great job with abstract reasoning and visual memory. She's very good at visual learning. So MindPrint found awesome ways for her to learn using her eyes. And skills to support are flexible thinking. She needs help with verbal memory. She might have a little bit of anxiety, which means she might need a little bit of help, and has verbal reasoning. If you want to view more information about your profile skills, please click Full MindPrint. Let's look at strategies just for Amy to help her improve her learning. So there's different categories in MindPrint. They have subjects like reading, writing, math, science. They also have what you can do to help you with group work or class participation. It also helps you with your mindset, so what you need to think, and how to get feedback. So Amy has some favorites, so these are strategies that she found that work just for her. For example, let's look at visualization or mind movies. So to do this, I'm just going to click right here on the link. So this gives an example of what mind movies are and what she can do to help her with her reading. So in order to help Amy, she should create a mental picture in her head while she's reading. Listen to a problem to help you understand and remember every detail. So if I click this next arrow, it gives you how you should apply it. So these are the steps that Amy should take in order to make sure that this works for her. It also gives the neurologist, Dr. Erica Warren's mindful visualization for learning practices. So let's click on that real quick. Oh, that's a book. So if you want to buy this book, you can. We're going to go back to her page because I think the site is easy to use and you just need the basics. You probably don't need to buy that book. And if you click the last arrow, this shows the proven ways of why this works for Amy and why this is a valid thing for her to do. So after reviewing that, you could print it out. You can maybe put it in your notebook or you can share it with other people. You could also email it if you want to save some paper. So to get back to the home screen, let's click Return to Plan. Okay, so since that strategy worked great for Amy, I added it to my favorites. I'm going to add a note. So you click Add Note and you can type away. So I'm going to say, this worked great while reading chapter books. I'm going to hit Save. And it'll be there waiting for her. So if I go back and look at her favorites, it already has a note which she wrote and it has the date of when you did it. You can always add more and change them. So you can also add links to different sites which we could use. You could use your Schoology site and other stuff listed there. This is a free and easy tool to use. It's a great way for us to recheck with what we know and what we need to work on. I really hope this helps you and your students. If you need more information or like some help, please feel free to email me. I'm more than happy to help assist you. Thank you so much.